Alright guys, it's Crypto Bro here, back again with another hot video. And today's short quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can track the top Memecoin traders in real time. That way you can potentially copy trade them to make money. But before I show you guys all that, I do have to let you guys know this channel is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Remember, this is a part of educational content. You should always consult a professional for legal advice. Remember, once again, this is not financial advice. All right, guys, with that being said, Crypto Bro here. We're about to get started with today's short, quick video. So the site that you're going to want to go to track these guys is going to be kolscan.io. And I'm going to put a link to this in the YouTube description below. Once again, it's kolscan.io. So very, very cool site from what I can see here, guys. The way it works is simple. When you go to the site, you can type in somebody's wallet address right here and you can search it. Or it's just going to show you like all these top guys, right? Like all these big time guys. So there's a guy over here named Cupsy. And apparently this guy's a pretty big time guy because he's on the list. And you can see right here he sold 33 Solana worth of the BitBoy token. And then you can see, look, looks like he just bought more BitBoy right there. So just by me clicking on his profile, it's going to open up his little profile right here. And you can see this guy, he's pretty wealthy, you know. So he's got 1.2 million in his wallet, most of which is in Solana, 686,000, 390,000 USDC. So you can see exactly what he's doing. So for the past 30 days here, you can see in the past 30 days, this gentleman is up 29,000 Solana, which is $5.8 million. So he's definitely a guy that you're going to want to research. And not everybody's up 5 million in 30 days. I can show you somebody else over here. Wait, all right, that's the same guy. So this guy over here, I was looking at his trades, and it looks like he was doing good on like the 3-day. He caught my eye over here, this guy over here. He's up 115 Sol for 3 days, so he caught my eye. But then I went to his 30-day, and just remember, Cupsy is up 29,000 Sol, which is 5.8 million in 30 days. All right, this guy's down 365,000 in 30 days. So, you know, this whole trading stuff, you know, this guy makes it look easy. He's up 5 million. This guy's down 300,000. So be careful who you copy trade. So the way that the site works is right here. You know, you're going to see the token P&Ls, the most recent trades. You can click this little menu. You can kind of sort by profit or loss. You can see from what I see here, he's got 562 that are in the profit. When you go to profit, all the things go to green, right? So those are going to be like all his profitable trades. And he's got 851 negative trades. So you may not want to copy this guy, right? So we're going to X out of this guy's profile. We're going to go back to Cupsy. As you can see, he's up 29,000 Solana. Just in a day, this guy's up 140,000. Your yearly salary, he's up in a day. So guys, that's unbelievable, you know. It's unbelievable, you know, like the amount of money that you can make with meme coins is definitely unbelievable, but you do have to be an expert to be able to pull this off, and you also need money to invest, right? So, man, I'm just wondering, you know, how long this guy's been doing it, and, you know, is he plugged in with the developers? Are they in a bunch of Discord servers and Telegram chats saying, hey, man, I'm going to launch this coin today at 3:30. You should put 30 Solana in and tell your buddies. And next thing you know, people they watch his wallet, they follow his trades, you know. So you know, be careful, guys. You know, you could certainly make money doing this, or you could certainly lose money being used as exit liquidity is what it's called. So if you copy this guy's trade, this guy's been known to be in and out of trades pretty quick. So let's see here. It's a trade from 7 minutes ago. Look. So he just lost $1,900. So Shit, he bought, as you guys can see, 70 Solana worth. All right, 34 million of the coin, and he sold it 5 minutes ago. So he took a hit, 10 Solana there, lost another 1.98 Solana. But I mean, man, when the guy wins, it looks like he's got some big wins. So let's see, 10 Solana here, 10 Solana loss. He had a 31 Solana gain. Look at that, that's huge, man. Imagine making 31 Solanas on a trade. This guy just made 74 Solanas. So look at this. He bought Gary V. This is cool, an influencer. He bought Gary V 95 Solana and he sold for 170. Let's look at the chart, Gary V. This is crazy. Let's pull this up. This came out 22 hours ago, so let's pull this up on the daily chart. Alright, so as you can see, yeah. Oh, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah. Gotta fix this chart stuff. Gary V's going down, man. I don't even think this is the official Gary V. It's probably just like a scam. But yeah, man. I mean, you can make money on scams too. Let's see here. He's got most of this guy's trades are pretty good. So if you compare this guy to somebody else, all right, let's click on this guy, Assassin ETH. Let's see what this guy's about over here. All right, Assassin ETH. These guys are making money. You may want to track a couple of these guys over here. You may want to track this guy Cupsy and this guy over here. I'm going to track him as well. Assassin ETH. He's up 500,000 in 30 days. Which not as much as Cupsy, who's up 5 million, but still. Holy shit, man. These guys are making some killer gains. Look at it. 2,600 trades in 30 days. Oh my god, this guy did 5,000 trades. How much is he doing in a day? Look at this. Guy's doing nearly 100 trades in a day. You could be certain this is his full-time job, right? I mean, he's not working a 9 to 5 or not working at the grocery store while he's doing this. Just look at this, guys. Look, let's see some of his wins here, okay? All right, so he bought 4 Solana worth of this coin, sold, got 1.63 profit. All right, let's see here. Any big wins today? AR-15. Look at this. He bought 10 Solana and he sold it for 71 Solana. He made 61 Solana profit. You guys see that? That is crazy. The gains that could be made from this. All right, guys, let's click on another wallet here. Let's click on Rat Wizard. Let's check this guy out. All right, let's see how profitable he is. 900,000 in 30 days. This guy knows what he's doing. All right, so let's go to the one-day chart. He's up 24,000 in a day. In the past 3 days, he's made what most people will make in a year. Look at that. That is crazy, bro. In 14 days, he just made like the president's salary. The president of the United States, I think, you know, they only get like 250,000. This guy made 350,000. So, guys, the potential is there with meme coins. You guys can definitely make a shitload of money with these fucking meme coins. But you also have to remember, where you can make money, you can lose money too. So the potential for gains is there. The potential for loss is there. So you guys always, just like I said in the beginning of the video, don't invest more than you could afford to lose, guys, right? Always do your own research on these coins. Just because a guy gets into it, like I've heard things about this guy, all right, Cupsy? I've heard if you watch this guy's trades, he gets in and out quick, right? So let's see. So he just bought more BitBoy. Look, this was 12 minutes ago. And he sold 3 minutes ago. He's up 20 sold. Man, this token is, look. So this is how you can find some good tokens, guys. Look. Look at this. Crazy. Look at this. 671% in the day. Guys, this guy definitely knows what he's doing. If I were you guys, I would watch some of his trades. You know, maybe pretend like you're buying, pretend like you're selling. You know, see if you can come up with a formula. See if you can paper trade before you actually put in a lot of real money into this. But yeah, if you got money, maybe you just put in 1 or 2 SOL, see how you can do. You know, these guys, they definitely know what they're doing, guys. So once again, the site is going to be kolscan.io. You're going to be able to track the top Memecoin traders in real time. Guys, this site's crazy, man. This site will show you some opportunities. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. If you guys like this video, drop a like, drop a comment. Be sure to subscribe, guys. I'm going to be trying to push out a lot more educational content for you guys. We're all in this together, guys. We're all in crypto together to make money and to be prosperous. So, guys, let's win together. All right, Crypto Bro signing out. See you guys in the next one.